In this video, we will learn about pre-primary curriculum. Traditionally, teachers teach the alphabet and numbers to the students, and the students repeat after the teacher. They also write the alphabets and numbers repeatedly in their notebooks to memorize the same. Also, the classroom setup looks very similar to any other classroom in the school. In the pre-primary curriculum, there is a considerable shift in the way learning takes place in the classroom. The approach followed in pre-primary is integrated, student-focused, thematic, and multimodal. Let's understand what we mean by each of these terms. Integrated. Earlier, teacher had different periods to teach each subject. The learning experience is integrated as a whole. In a 4-hour lesson, we cover music and movement, EVS, English, math, creative arts, physical education, and socio-emotional development. In all the lessons, knowledge and skills are linked together so that students can build a deeper understanding of the concepts. This way, learning can seamlessly flow throughout the day rather than being separated in teaching different subjects using different processes. This is what we call an integrated learning approach. Through detailed lesson plans and resources present in the Teacher tab, School Excellence Kits, workbooks, and readers, a teacher brings an integrated classroom to life. Student-focused. At pre-primary, the focus is mainly on the student. We know that the children in this age group learn by playing, listening to stories, exploring, doing activities, and creating. The classroom is set up in such a way that students can sit in small groups and move around easily. Things in the classroom are labeled to help them practice reading and identifying words. We set up word walls in the classroom for students to practice and learn new vocabulary words. Apart from that, their work is displayed in the classroom so that they feel encouraged and have a sense of belonging. Pre-primary curriculum offers students all of this and more. Thematic. There are 7 different themes covered throughout the year, using different EVS topics. Each theme brings together the learning for the unit. For example, if the theme is water, the songs in the units will be related to water during music and movement time. The EVS activities will also be related to water. In English, the stories in books and vocabulary words will be directly or indirectly related to water. In math, students will count things like umbrellas, clouds, and raindrops to develop numeracy skills. In creative arts, they will build models related to water. In physical education, students will do a lot of fill and pour activities in the unit. This way, the theme of the unit integrates different skills and learnings of the unit. The theme helps students connect their learning to the real world, which in turn helps them retain concepts for a longer time, think deeply as they learn, and stay interested in the learning process. Multimodal. Each of the concepts are taught using multiple approaches. This helps engage all the students and creates better connections as different senses of the students are used. All these 4 approaches are unique pre-primary curriculum. The 3 main aims of achieving cognitive milestones, developmental milestones, and school readiness are achieved through these 4 approaches. I hope this video helps you get a better idea of the pre-primary curriculum.